Hey guys, welcome back. We'll be taking a look at the Seeaudio Bravery. These come in at about $279, which is not cheap, so the expectations will be high from the start. Seeaudio certainly didn't disappoint in packaging, as you can tell with all the anime merch. Wow, they really went ham with them. Okay, postcards which you probably won't send anyone, so I'll just leave them here for you guys to admire them for the rest of the video. These come with elastic tips, which are probably one of the most expensive tips out there, and that probably adds up to the price tag. So these are supposed to deform with your body heat to provide a better fit, but they are quite sticky to the touch, so it's a bit of a mixed bag of feelings for me where comfort is concerned. I used regular silicone and they work fine. One issue I had with the Bravery was the fit. The vacuum effect you get from them is quite noticeable and can get a little uncomfortable over time. The included cable is a boutique one from the Hakugi brand. This cable is certainly not your ordinary stock cable, and this once again probably adds to the total cost you're paying for. It's a soft, flexible cable that's thick and yet nice to handle. Unfortunately, it's cloth-sleeved, so it's likely to fray over time, and there's quite a lot of microphonics as well. The buds themselves are nothing short of gorgeous. Workmanship is excellent with an intricate faceplate and a smoked out shell for you to keep them drivers. Now diving right into the sound, these sound not bad. Okay, so starting with the low end, it's there and present, but it's not like the majority of the IEMs going for a bass boosted, warm sound. So the bass is quite tame, yet pushed back in presentation, giving it a more controlled feel without the mid-bass bloat that some BA tunings tend to overdo. However, I do find the bass lacking a bit of detail and punch. The mids are quite lovely, especially instruments like violins, trumpets, and even female vocals. They rise above the rest of the music, like the soloists they should be. But never once did I feel like they were shouting at me, so that's a big plus. However, the treble and some of the upper mids are quite energetic, and combined with the pressure build up over time, they make the ears feel quite fatigued. There's a lot of activity in the 7 to 9K region, which sometimes gets too much. And overall, I think they are quite pleasant, but I expected more transients and detail retrieval from an IEM in this price range. At the moment, they are good, but I'm not too sure if they are 279 level kind of good. But then again, that is subjective. As I mentioned earlier, you're paying for a lot more things in a whole Bravery package and experience. So before I go, I'll give a quick ratings based on some impressions. In terms of overall package, these get a solid weeaboo overload out of 5. And as the IEM in general, out of 5, I'll give it about a 4 for my first impressions. And yeah, that's it. That's all I have for now, and you can read a more in-depth review after my full testing on my website, and the link will be in the description down below. Or ask any questions in the comments below. If this video helped you, do consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thank you.